Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a feet transformation from this to this, so stay tuned. As you can tell from the title of today's video, we're going to do a pedicure with a polygel overlay, and I'm going to put that just on her big toe only. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Don't forget also to share with your friends. So let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to have to remove this old gel polish that she had on. So I'm using this bit with my drill on a low speed because she only has gel polish on her natural nails, and I'm not trying to cause any damage to her natural nails. Most of this video is sped up, but I'm going to insert a footage of me doing this in real time just so you can see how slow I'm actually moving. So quick backstory as this is going on. How I figured out how to do this was I got tired of my nail being damaged from the acrylic, and I had the Beetles polygel set that I always use in my manicures, so I researched how to use it as an overlay on my fingers, and one day I was like, maybe I could do this on my toes. So I tried it and it worked, and now I'm showing it to you in this video. So this is the footage now that I left in real time, so you can see just how slow I'm moving. And again, I have my drill on a low setting speed. I'm not trying to cause any damage to her natural nails, and I'm just trying to be as gentle as possible. Now I'm just going to do her pedicure. I'm just going to wash her feet, clean up the cuticles, and do all of that. And at the end here, I'm gonna start buffing the surface of the nail and shaping them a bit so that the gel will have something to adhere to. Then I'm using this lint-free wipe with some alcohol to clean up the nails, making sure I get down in the cuticles and the crevices to remove all of that dust. Next, I'm applying one layer of this primer and one layer of foundation from the Beetles gel kit, and I'm going to let that cure for about 30 seconds and then move on to working on the polygel for a bit, and then come back to painting her desired color. I'm using this white polygel from the Beetles polygel kit. It will be linked in the description box down below, and the double-ended brushes that I'm using also will be linked too. I'm using the slip solution from the polygel kit as I mold and shape the polygel onto her nail. I love using the polygel because it doesn't matter how long it takes me to mold this, it will not cure, it will not dry, it will not harden until I put it under the lamp. And so it gives me time to do what I need to do to play around with it and all of that. Love using polygel for that. So I'm just patting it out to make sure it's leveled, and I'm shaping it and molding it onto her nail. I'm not doing an extension, I'm only doing an overlay. I'm also cleaning up the cuticles as I go along with this extra brush, because I don't want the polygel to stick to her skin. If it's cured onto the skin, it may cause lifting in the future, and I don't want that. Now I'm taking my drill with the same bit that I had before, and I'm just filing it down and using, I think, my 180-100 nail file just to give it some shape before I paint it. Trying to make the cuticles flush with the nail, and I'm filing down some of the polygel so that it's not bulky. I'm using another lint-free wipe with some alcohol to remove the excess dust again. And now I'm going to be painting her nails with this color. It's a beautiful yellow from the Beetles fall collection. I will have the number linked down below in the description box also if you want to try it out. I love these polishes, by the way. Love them. I'm cleaning up the edges as I work just to avoid accidentally putting the toes under the lamp, and then everything will get cured. I don't want gel on her skin. So you can see me using this old makeup brush that I have here with some alcohol to clean up the spills on the edges as I go along. I'm going to do 3 coats of this nail polish, but if I'm being honest, it's not necessary. It was already pigmented from like the 2nd coat of polish. I was kind of overdoing it, but yeah. In between each coat, I'm also curing it for 30 seconds, I believe. I normally wear my toes with this Polygel Overlay and the polish for about 3 weeks before I change them. Next, I'm going to apply top coat and cure that for 30 seconds, and then apply cuticle oil. So we're at the end of this tutorial, guys, and I just want to say thank you for watching my video. And so yeah, this is what they look like at the end. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.